everybody, it's 8 minutes past 11 a.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 28th of June, and I'm looking to stay here in the ring with Euro Kiwi. So this goes all the way back to the beginning of June and to the twin combo fight card. And when I've done the twin combo fight card, we were somewhere around here, and I was looking for either the bullish option of a compressions of price underneath that blue line or the bearish option, because there were a couple of elements there on the weekly chart that shows that potentially buyers are not having the upper hand here and sellers are about to take control. And as we progressed through the time, we saw that the bearish side took over. So have a look at the fight update and the result for Euro Kiwi to get a bit more information about how the fight progressed, where was the defense line, and what happened. But as you can see, we were sitting around here when I did the result, and I was looking for a potential continuation of this selling move toward that 173 area. So I was looking for a break of this green line. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. So drill into the 1 hour and see what happened there. So this is the area. So this was the push again toward my entry, my pink line, and there was a beautiful rejection of that push. And what I liked about that is that this push couldn't go any higher, so it looks nice for the bearish continuation. Then what happened? We didn't go anywhere, and then a burst of buyers that this time were able to break above this previous high. So it doesn't look that great for the sellers already, but we pushed lower again, but completely rejected that move. So there was no strength to the sellers around this area. There was too many buyers sitting here, and from here they were able to actually make higher highs and higher lows and go above even this high. So at this point in time, it no longer looks like the sellers are going to take over and the buyers continue. A bit of extra fight from them, and now they're pushing higher toward my blue line again. So the case for the bullish is now looking even better. So if we take a look here on the weekly chart, now the weekly to me looking smashing, because what we had previously, we had that bearish rejection candle and we already broke below it. And that was sort of a risky sign that potentially the sellers are not done yet. And they were able to push the price into the averages. Buyer came along, made a higher low here, and now we're pushing against this level again, and we're looking rather nice and bullish. Now, if we'll take a look here on the monthly, so again, breaking above that blue line will also be breaking above May bullish rejection candle. And if we'll close nice and bullish over here and above this area, we're looking nice and bullish for the month of June. But also we again pull back and tested the moving averages, so basically touched them, released that buying pressure, and potentially ready for another push higher and really toward that red line around that 1.82 from the contents of the monthly chart. So let's go down again into the daily, and we can see that we have almost come up and touched that area. So this one came close but haven't really reacted to it. We pull back, and now this was a beautiful bullish candle, and we already today broke above it. So two options that I'm looking at here, either another compressions of price, and I would love to see that on the lower time frame, because if we take a look, for example, at the 4 hours, again, we can see that we're running from low. So I do like to see another touch and a small retrace, even somewhere around here, and then another attack at that area. But if we'll go through this level from here, so moving from low, then I'm potentially going to look for a retrace of that push. So a close above this level and a potential retrace. It all depends how we're going to continue around that area. If we're going to stall underneath it, any place that will give me a strong defense line that it's not too far away, I'll be very happy to look at for a potential fight plan. So to summarize, I'm still looking at this blue line as my offense line. That's around the 1.7840. I am looking for a better defense line, and it all depends on the price action around this area and how this opponent is going to react to this level, because currently we are moving from rather low. So I am looking for the lower time frame to get any signs of touch and compressions of price and look for a potential move. As for the point win, I'm looking for the area just underneath that 1.8, which is the round number, and the knockout, I'm looking at this area underneath this previous swing high. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.